In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to local files outside your Obsidian vault. Start by opening the Obsidian app. This walkthrough assumes the app is already installed. So once it opens, go straight to the left sidebar and look at the File Explorer near the top. Click the New Note icon. A new note will appear, ready to be named. Type External Links, Demo. Say it naturally as you enter it, External, then Links, then Demo. Once the title is in place, open that note so you can start adding the link inside it. Click inside the body of the note. Now type the Markdown link that points to the local file using encoded spaces. Enter the link text as Project Notes. Then complete the rest of the Markdown link so the file path uses encoded spaces instead of regular spaces. This is the version you're using first, and the key part here is that the spaces in the path are encoded so Obsidian can read the local file link correctly. When that's entered, move to the top right corner of the note and click the book icon to switch to reading view. This changes the note from editing mode into a clickable preview, so the link behaves like a live link instead of plain text. Click the link you just created. This is where you verify that it works. If the path was entered correctly, the local file opens in your system's default text editor. Wait while it loads and finishes opening. Go back to the note and switch from reading view back to editing view. Now you'll try the alternative method. Click into the note again and enter the version that wraps the file path in angle brackets. Use Project Notes again as the link text, then write the path inside the brackets so the local path is enclosed properly. This second format is simply another way to create the same kind of external file link from inside Obsidian. After that, once it's completed, you'll see it available under your account view as it finishes loading. Wait for that process to complete. At this point, you've successfully linked to a local file outside your Obsidian vault. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Congratulations, you're done.